Hello, welcome to a quick live. I'm feeling really good today. I just got off of my chemo, and today's the first day back where I actually feel great. And I wanted to do a short unboxing for you all today, and I hope you enjoy it. This is not a normal, completely puppetry related, but it is puppetry a little bit related to me at least, because I have a package here from one of my favorite artists of all time. There's a couple artists that I follow and really love that work in other mediums, and this is a package that I ordered from one of them. This artist is named Jason Freeny, and he's an incredible sculptor. He's most known for his anatomical sculptures of well-known characters, though I like those, and I actually did a video of an unboxing of them. They kind of sit right over here on my shelves. And I've got the bigger ones too, and I'm going to do a video on that as well at some point. However, I'm really a bigger fan of his original work. He does a lot of original sculptures too, and they are absolutely incredible. I actually own 4 of his pieces. 2 of them are original sculptures that I have that are hand done by him. The one I'm opening today is a ceramic, I think it's, ceramic, and I believe it was cast. But it's 1 of 40, and this one's really close to my heart, and you'll see why in a moment. But here it is. His handle on Instagram is it's kind of a weird handle, but Gummy Fetus. If you want to throw him a follow, I'll try to add his name to the description of this if I can. But here it is, this package here. I wanted to open it up in front of you guys. It says fragile on it. It's the first time he's seeing it too. What is this? Oh. Artist proof number 5, I think, out of 40. So I think this is the certificate of authenticity. I think that's what they call it. Hello, thank you for giving me a home. I'm an individual handcrafted art piece. I was designed and created for display. Oh, maybe it was. Oh, I was created with a porcelain resin. It's a good idea to avoid excessive prolonged exposures to direct sunlight. That's not going to be a problem. Treat me well and I will last a lifetime. All right. So you got a little peek as to what, it comes in 2 pieces, it looks like. Let me make sure that's all that's in there. So it looks like there's a little stand for it, which I'm really excited about. And be very gentle. It's a bit lighter than I expected. So they must have rotocast it. For some reason I was assuming it'd be solid cast, just because that's generally a little easier, though it does waste more material. But it's 14 of 40 that I have. Not 5 of 40. So I wonder what that means. Artist's proofs 5. I'm not exactly sure. But he goes on there like this. If I bring it close, it's really cool. This is an anatomical heart that's anthropomorphized, I guess I'd say. And it has little hands that are making... Is he doing it that way with his thumbs? Yeah. Making a heart. And I just thought that was really, really cool. So I'm going to make sure I put it in a nice safe spot that the kids can't get it, which I have to do with a lot of those kind of things. The other piece, there's other pieces of his I'm going to be unboxing at some point relatively soon. I wanted to do this one first. And also I'll be doing an unboxing of one of my other favorite artists, who is Callan Schaub, who's, went really viral on TikTok, I know, and has a big following on Instagram as well. And I'll be doing an unboxing of one of his at some point as well. These are, again, some of my favorite artists that have influenced me and things that I've done over the years as well. I just wanted to share that with you guys, something a little bit different too. But there it is. Again, I definitely recommend you throw him a follow. A very inspirational artist. And Yeah, I've actually used some of his techniques that he uses to build his sculptures for building some of my puppets. And that would be specifically these banana puppets. Again, I want to do a whole video and make another one of these too. But yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. And I'll see you guys